Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Google Password Manager alerts and compromised password checks, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your browser and go to the Google Password Manager website. Log in to your Google account if prompted. Once logged in, navigate to the Password Manager dashboard. Locate the option for Security Alerts in the Settings panel. Click on the Security Alerts option to access its settings. Enable the Alerts feature to receive notifications about security updates. Next, scroll down to find the Compromised Password Checks section. Activate the Compromised Password Check feature. This option will scan your saved passwords for known data breaches. To add passwords, click on the password entry icon or the Add Password button. Input the website, your username, and your password in the respective fields. Save the entered password to secure it within the manager. To check for compromised passwords, click on the Check Now button. Wait for the scan to complete and review any alerts displayed. If any passwords are compromised, follow the prompts to update them. Regularly monitor the Password Manager for updates and alerts. This ensures your online security remains intact. You are now set up to receive alerts and check for compromised passwords effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.